Hello friends, welcome to my channel Electrical Master. This video I am going to explain about how we can control transformer supply and diesel generator supply using the ATS 115 controller. If you are visiting my channel first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Then you will never miss our updates. Let's go to the video. See, this ATS 115 controller, I have ever seen is the best ATS controller for controlling the two supplies because it is having very simple control applications, so anyone can easily operate this controller with the minimum amount of knowledge is enough. What is ATS 115 controller? Actually, this ATS 115 controller it's from the Sizes company from Germany, and which is used to control two power sources. This source, like you can control two generators, or you can control two transformer, or you can control one transformer and one DG supply. It's all supporting for this ATS 115 controller. And the ATS 115 controller also controls these two sources complete automatically for start and shutdown operation. It means this ATS 115 controller, once you will connect the two sources, put it in the auto mode, it will automatically complete start and stop operation like AMF or ATS control. Main supply is available, it will keep the DG off. Main supply is off, it will start the DG automatically. Once the main supplies come back, it will automatically shut down the DG. So complete operation will done by this ATS 115 controller. It is having inbuilt electrical interlock facilities between the two sources. This is the very major point you can see. If you connect the two sources, if at a time if you close the two sources means there is chance for the flashover and big short circuit issue. So this ATS inbuilt, it is having the electrical interlock to avoid the both the sources close at a time. So we can avoid big problems. And next is it is also having the electrical protection like over voltage, under voltage, short circuit, a phase sequence and phase failure. So most of the electrical protections are available in ATS 115 controller. So no need for any other protection delay you need. Next is it is also used to control the sources remotely with a schedule function. So not only for the panel auto mode, it is also having the application of the schedule function. Schedule function means once you will put the programming like a weekly or monthly startup, when the remote location, it will automatically start the generator and running for your programmed hours, then it will automatically switch off the generators. Now how the ATS 115 is working, we will see. ATS 115 working is very simple. It is having two modes. One is the manual mode, another one is the auto mode. If you are seeing the picture, the manual mode, here there are two arrows will be there, up and down arrow. You can see this LED. When the LED is present in the first one, that is the off mode. You have to just press the down key to bring to the manual mode. Once it's come up with the manual mode, for example, you are connecting here source A for the transformer, source B for the generator. So manually now we want to start the generator. So at the time you just keep this LED in the manual mode and press this source B button, then it will give the command to start the generator. Once the generator is start, the display itself you can easily identify. See this, the dark block will generator is start, and it is showing the rated voltages here. Once the voltage is available, you can just press this breaker BCB, so it will close the breaker of the generator, so generator supply will move to the load. Similarly, when main supply is come back and you want to remove the generator, you just press this BCB button again, so breaker will be open, then the generator will be run. You just press the source B button, generator will be off. So again you have to press the source A button, then No need source because it is a transformer. You just identify the voltage, is it available or not. Voltage is available, just directly press the ACB button. So ACB will be closed, the supply will connect it to the load. This is the manual mode. For like in the auto mode, you just put it this LED into the auto, pressing this arrow key. That's it. No need to do anything. So ATS itself automatically check whether the main supply is available or not. It's always giving preference to the main supply. Main supply is available, then it will automatically close the ACB and the load will be connected to the main supply. Whenever the main supply is not available, it will automatically open that ACB and start the command to generator, and it will close the BCB breaker to the load. Everything in the complete auto mode. Like that way this ATS 115 is working. Now we will see the wiring connection. Wiring connection also very simple. It's the backside of the controller panel. You can see this need the 24 volt control supply from the battery. You have to connect it here, and this for the digital output purpose, and here you have to connect the CT from the load, outgoing cable load. You have to connect the CT here for measuring the current, and here you have to connect the source A and source B voltages with neutral line, and here you have to connect the digital input, configurable input. You can connect here. This is for the analog inputs, and here this is for starting command for the two sources like start A and start B. It is going to connect diesel generators, and here you have to connect the control for the ACB or BCB closing. That contactor in that panel you have to connect from here. So like that wiring connection. So I hope now you will understand what is the ATS 115 and how it is working, how we can control the two sources with this ATS 115. It's a very simple. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment. And really like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are consider subscription also, thank you so much for watching this video.